Hello guys, this is Masi Nyadhika channel and today I want us to cook butternut chapati. Yeah, pumpkin. Chapatis are pumpkin. So let's prepare with you and see you next. So nikisema hivyo nakata. Nikisema see you next nakata. So guys, these are my ingredients. One, this is the pumpkin, butternut pumpkin. Yeah, this is what we are going to use first. Yeah, that's my pumpkin. Two, we are using sugar. This is sugar. Yeah. Then again we mix salt. This is salt. Yeah, we mix salt kiasi. Then we use warm water, not cold, warm water. So we have mixed with warm water. Then this is my unga, but before then I will stir first. I mix them well. Yeah, it's like this. This is the mixture. Yeah, that's the mixture. I mix it like that. Then after mixing, I will now pour my wheat flour. Yeah. That's my wheat flour. So I want to make more chapati for today and tomorrow. So I will pour like that. And then I want to mix this dough. See you next in the next process. Cheers. Yeah, guys, this is my dough. I have mixed all my ingredients. So I'm going to put a small or little oil in my dough, and then I keep it for 15 minutes for it to cool, and then we go to the next process. Keep locked. So guys, this is how you lap your dough. You make sure that haigizi air. You lap it well. Yeah. You lap like that for those 15 minutes to let it cool. Yeah. The purpose of this is to make it soft. Yeah. Yeah, that's how to do it. So let's give it time for it to cool down. So guys, our 15 minutes are over. Yeah, so I want us now we start cooking. And you make sure that your surface is clean kabisa. Yeah. So this is our full dough. This is how you do if you want soft and layered chapati. You apply oil and you cut now into the smallest piece or the piece that you want. Yeah, this is for soft and layered chapati. like that. Pause. Yeah, guys, we are rolling now. Yeah, we have started cooking. Yeah, I'm not good in making good circles, but at least, yeah. So, yeah, they are like that. We are going to cook with you. Show them this side. Yeah. We have started cooking. Guys, we are about to finish our cooking. Yeah, this is how you do it. You make sure that you cook until it turns golden brown. Yeah, you cook until golden brown, like that. That's how you do it. Like that you can cook. Yeah, guys, we are done. We are done with our chapati. You can see they are golden brown, but I will show you the final wrap. So don't forget to comment there below, like, share, and also for those who have not subscribed and they are watching, kindly subscribe to my channel. That's the only thing, the only way you can support me. So kindly subscribe. Confirm whether you have subscribed. Yeah. So when you are free, you can try pumpkin chapati or butternut chapati. It is easy. You have seen. Follow the procedure and use everything that I have used in that video. Yeah. So I will show you later the way they look like. We are done. Those are our chapati. Yeah. They look so nice. You can see yellow chapati. You can see them. Yeah, so nice. You can see they are layered chapati. Yeah? They are so hot, but you can see it's layered chapati. Yeah? If you want layered chapati, you can cook like that. They are so nice. So guys, we are done. That's how we store them, ready to be eaten. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Try that recipe at home, and thank you so much. Kindly consider subscribing. Bye.